Hello, you are welcome to this class. Una hear wetin dey go on? If they go by wetin happen for Atiku today, Atiku is finished. Amici, 0. They say na the chairman of the party na cause the gbege. As you can see, appeal court affirms judgment barring INEC from recognizing ADC state congresses. The cable. Premium Times. Appeal court upholds judgment barring INEC from recognizing ADC congresses organized by Mark-led executives. Appeal court bars INEC channels from recognizing Mark-led ADC congresses. For this class, I go break down everything for you to understand, okay? Number one, how the state chairmen were elected first. Remember, what they are saying here is that appeal court talk say, wetin the federal high court talk, now they still talk. This matter was moved from federal high court after they pronounce their judgment, carry go appeal court. Appeal court talk say, wetin this one talk, now they talk. Say all the state congresses where David Mark organized, that is his executive organized when he assumed the chairmanship of the ADC. They don't recognize them. Okay? We could see why. Look at it. Some years ago, the African Democratic Congress had proper state congresses across Nigeria before the arrival of Atiku, David Mark, Amici. Okay? It was an existing party. They had state congresses, meaning different states choose their leaders. Party members in each state voted and elected their leaders. These elected leaders included state chairmen like Don Norman Obina in Abia State and full state executive committees. According to the ADC party constitution, these people were given a 4-year term. Now 4 years una go do before una comot. Nothing go shake una. Their tenure was protected by the party rules, that is the party constitution, and by section 223 of the Nigeria Constitution, which says that parties must operate democratically. So they believe say they are secure and they are protected. At this point, everything was normal and democratic. What happened next? Leadership crisis at the national level. Later, a big internal fight broke out. Caretaker and interim national leadership was put in place, led by Senator David Mark, former Senate president, and people like Aregbesola. They could take over the aim of affair of the party at national level. At this time, the state executives see they exist. The caretaker group, David Mark and the rest, said they were brought in to fix problems in the party, to put the party in a position where we say it go fit compete with APC to remove Tinubu, to reposition the party for 2027. So what did they call do? They try to choose new leadership for different states, especially the one where go they loyal to them. Believe it say they know what people like Papa of Labour Party for inside ADC. People like Arabambi. But the elected state chairman did not fully agree with how things were being done. Number 3. Actions by the Mark-led caretaker group that caused problems. The caretaker team started trying to remove some state executives. They appointed their own Congress committee to go around Nigeria and organize new state congresses. Their plan was to hold fresh elections at the state level and later a national convention. The state chairman saw this as a direct takeover. They believed the group was bypassing them and trying to install its own loyal people. They believe say, we don't take over. Go put their men. Remember say, some people did there before. As national leaders come out with whatever arrangement, the state no agree come out to. They say, no, they come out. No say later, another one come out. Nephew Ballot say, I'm supposed to be chairman. No. As that one they go on, different states own, wahala they go on. Okay? The state leaders believed these actions violated the ADC constitution. They said only elected state executives have the power to organize state congresses. They said the caretaker group did not have the constitutional right to suspend them or appoint a parallel Congress committee. They said their 4-year tenure was still running and could not be cut short like that. Reactions. State chairmen go to court. Federal High Court, April 2026. 7 state chairmen led by Don Norman Obina and their executives decided to fight back just recently. They filed a lawsuit at the Federal High Court, Abuja. They asked the court to declare that their tenure was still valid. They asked the court to stop David Mark-led caretaker group from organizing any state congresses. They asked the court to stop INEC from recognizing any congress done by the caretaker committee. They asked the court to restrain David Mark and others from interfering with their work. On April 29, 2026, Justice Joyce Abdul-Malik delivered judgment. She agreed with the state chairman. She ruled that the caretaker group had no power to appoint a congress committee or organize state congresses. She barred INEC from recognizing any such congress when David Mark put in place. She protected the state executive's tenure. This was a big win for the state chairman. 5. Next step, David Mark's group goes to the Court of Appeal. David Mark, Aregbesola, and their faction were not happy. They appealed to the Court of Appeal in Abuja. They asked the higher court to cancel the Federal High Court judgment and allow them to continue their Congress plans. On July 13th, today, 2026, the Court of Appeal gave its ruling in 2-1 decision, meaning 2 support, 1 against, meaning 3 judges. The court upheld Federal High Court judgment. The court dismissed David Mark's appeal. The court again barred INEC from recognizing congresses organized by the Mark-led group. The court awarded 10 million costs against Mark's side. Now carry people go appeal court. They can't knock on a fine so that they can use it to cover their legal fee. Atiku's current position. Atiku Abubakar is aligned with David Mark-led fashion. Abi? I remember say when they do national convention, they also did primaries. Abi? All those primaries, national convention. Remember say, it no be only Abuja do am. Now all the small states across Nigeria brought representatives. Even the primaries, they voted in different states. Who conducted the primaries? Now David Mark group or the one where they meet, where carry them go court. It means say the vote where they declare Atiku as the presidential candidate of the ADC get killed. The same thing with the convention. This faction has already conducted primaries and named Atiku as his presidential candidate for 2027. Someone like Rotimi Amici was named as running mate. Abi? They claim INEC correctly recognizes their leadership as the authentic one. This is aside from Ballot, another case might be that at the national level. What the judgment does. This means the Mark faction cannot easily rebuild or take full control of the party structures at the state level right now. You don't say so, they get K-Lego, see what this lawyer they talk. This is the lawyer of the other group, the group that defeated David Mark, that is Atiku's group today.
Appeal today has affirmed the judgment of the Federal High Court. So what it means is that whatever they did, that convention, the state congress they organized, the national convention they organized, the court has just nullified it. So the implication is that as it is today, whatever decision that convention has taken, it's a nullity. So, in other words, I don't want to put it out, but it appears that as of today, as of this moment, ADC doesn't have any presidential candidate. So, but I know they are going to appeal it to the Supreme Court. So, we also test the law there.
Una don't see so. Oh boy. So, you put the top of conversation, say somebody they fear 27. They don't want to say opposition. They don't want to take chances. Or not say they get everything. They say they fear. Remember, say, NDC will still there. We never finish this one, though. What do you think? You want to drop off comments? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.